Hello, awesome developers. So recently Anaconda launched a new framework called PyScript. So what it does, just like under script tag you write to JavaScript, now under PyScript tag you can write Python code. Super awesome, right? To start with PyScript, you need to know about three things. First, definitely how to implement this on your project. Second, the Py-env, and third, the Py-repl. So let's see how it's work. This is the official site of PyScript, but I find their GitHub page is much useful than this page. So just scroll down a little bit and click on this project home and you redirect it to this GitHub page. Okay, there you scroll down just a little bit and you find these two links. Okay, so first definitely copy this link by Ctrl+C and paste it on the head portion of your project. I paste it here, just a format document, and okay, fine. And now the next step was, so copy this PyScript tag in the bottom of the body, paste this PyScript tag, and there now you can write Python code. Okay, so just I write print hello world. So now I just need to start my live server and everything will be okay. So just I start my live server. Hey, yeah, it takes a little bit of time, and now you can see the hello world. If I modify this thing to blah blah blah, and there this text should also modify it. Yeah, it's modified, it's working fine. So but the thing is, this is not a good practice, right? Because in HTML maintaining indentation is a very difficult, or I say painful stuff. So just like we in JavaScript we link our file, we can also do the same here. I cut up this code like this and I type src source is equal to, I have to specify the path main.py, fine. And I have to create this main.py. So just go there, type main.py, and now there I can write my Python code without worrying about indentation. So print hello WRLD hello world from main.py, and there we should see this thing. Please come on. Yeah, it's working, right? Hello world from main.py. So this code is imported from there to this index.html. So what is Py-env? Before telling that, I give you an example. Suppose I import time. Okay, and you all know that time is comes with Python, and if I visit this page, there is no error, right? But if I import numpy, okay, and if I visit there, you can see I get an error. And what this error is saying to me, module not found, no module name numpy. But I have numpy on my system like Python, and I just copy paste this thing because different I'm a lazy person, and enter. You can see I have no error. That's mean I have numpy on my system. But why Python is throwing me this error? Sorry, why PyScript is throwing me this error? Because PyScript didn't know that I want to use numpy. So I have to specifically tell PyScript that now I want to use numpy. So for this I have to use Py-env. Just copy this Py-env and paste it in the head portion. Ctrl+V, come on, okay, and under this click a minus space and numpy. So by this I am telling that I want to use numpy, and if I visit the page, the error is gone. So now you're getting my point, right? If I want to use pandas, then I have to type like this pnds pandas, right? But I didn't have pandas installed on my system, so I'm not showing. But that is the main concept you're getting. If you want to use external library, first under the Py-env you have to mention that I want to use this external library. Good. So the last thing is Py-repl. Before understanding Py-repl, you have to know what is a REPL. This Python console is called REPL, as simple as that. Like like print I print 3 plus 3, so it's giving me 6, right? This is the Py-repl. So let's see how it's work. Just copy this Py-repl tag and go visit your VS Code. After the head and before the body, paste this Py-repl, like print 3 plus 3, and if we visit the page, then yeah, we see something like this. I know this look like Jupyter notebook, but this is not. If I run this, I have 6. There is another thing, I can actually write code there, like I have to write 5 plus 5, run this, it gives me 5. What 5 plus 5 is 10, so it giving me 10. So getting my point, right? What is Py-repl? Py-repl basically a Python console. There you can write your test code, as simple as that. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this will be a helpful video for you, and